Welcome to this video tutorial on full dentures with inLab 20 software, bonding process for IPN 3D digital denture teeth. In this video, you will learn how to bond the prefabricated IPN 3D digital denture teeth onto the denture base correctly and how to polymerize it. Once the milling process has been completed, remove the disc from the milling machine. Separate the denture base from the disc using a carbide burr. Carefully remove the sprues and then blow all the shavings off with compressed air. If needed, remove redundant material such as proximal area, basal corners, or edges with a fine burr. It is not necessary to roughen the bonding surface of the IPN 3D teeth. Check the fit of the teeth into the pockets and remove undercuts that may have not been sufficiently milled out. If needed, remove the undercuts that have not been milled off with a small round burr. Once the teeth have been dry fitted and properly seated in their pockets, you may begin the bonding procedure. Line up the teeth in the order they are to be bonded. Mix Lucitone HIPAA per the instruction for use, ratio of 11 grams of powder to 8 milliliters of liquid. Pour the powder into the liquid and mix for a minimum of 15 seconds. Fill 3 or 4 pockets with the HIPAA acrylic and push the teeth into the pockets to extrude any excess acrylic. Repeat the process for the remaining teeth. Make sure that the pouring time of 3 minutes is not exceeded. Press the teeth again into the pockets to be sure that you have a perfect fit. Use a clean brush soaked with Lucitone HIPAA liquid to remove any excess acrylic. This process should be done swiftly. Polymerize the denture in a pressure pot at 3 bar of pressure and 45 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes.